So in this video we are going to check the machine again. So we have now a problem, and the problem with this, the chain is spinning in only one direction. So this is what I want to fix today. Zoom out so you can see better. So this chain is spinning in one direction. So this is the controller, and let us check together. When I pull the stick down, it goes in that direction. When I pull up, same direction. This is a problem. So what is showing in this code, in this program? So you can see, so I have some code in the terminal code. So when I press this, it's supposed to show another code, but it's showing the same. Yeah, this is what I want to fix. But when I turn left, for example, it's showing the same. It means there is one problem here. Now it's showing this. And the same chain is spinning in the same direction. So it means there is something wrong in the code that I have to fix. So you can see the code here. This is the code that I wrote for the controller, microcontroller. Yeah, you can see here. But now I have to find out where the problem is. Yes, let us find it together out. So yeah, I see it's almost done. Everything's working fine. This is hydraulic systems working fine. Let me zoom out. So yeah, you can see the hydraulic systems working out. I always have all the cables. Then I have to make one cable management. This is the oil, the hydraulic oil. I have to fill up again, and then fix that chain problem, and then it's done. Yeah? So yeah, tell me what the code and change. So I will be back in some minutes.